Experts predict that affordability may be improving in 2026, but not because home prices will be plummeting. Happy New Year and welcome to the first episode of the Maryland Market Minute for January 9th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. Home appreciation is expected to rise only minimally 1.6% on average. Mortgage rates are expected to stay about where they are and hover in the low 6% throughout 2026. Inventory is expected to rise by 8.9%, so buyers will have more selection and sellers will face more competition. We are already seeing this in many areas of Maryland. New inventory that did come to the market since the end of 2025 was 1,903 units at a median $410,000 list price. Coming soon properties rose to 841 at a median $449,900. New contracts fell again this week to 1,088 at a median list price of $399,900. And days before contract hit 45 days. 776 units sold in 27 days at 98.3%. List to sold ratio at $422,500 median sold price. Properties are staying on the market longer before they're going under contract, and sellers are pricing a little bit higher than they should, so they're netting less, and there are fewer buyers. So there are 3,739 units for lease available at $2,500 median per month. Want to know what's expected for your area? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 9th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.